now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube, man? I mean, we just got, I don't know, man, Dunkin'. Because what I'm saying is, though, why would I go to Starbucks and spend $7 and the cup be this much ice and I don't get to drink? So what I'm saying is Dunkin' is just better, bro. Alright, enough of that. My girl out here having dudes open the door for her and she walking through it. Like, she not like, nah, bro, like, chill. Like, she like, thanks, and walks through the door and they open the door for her. What up, man? Mark Cakes here with another video. Size 12. yeah, that's right. The biggest size. Well, actually, they claim there's a 13 and 14, but on StockX, those are selling for like $5,000, bro. Cause that size don't exist. Don't nobody got that. And if they do got it, you're rich. But yeah, Jordan 1, patent, UNC. I don't understand why I can't put my finger on it. Why is this selling for so much? Like, why is this so popular? I don't get it. It's a women's shoe. Also, Jordan hooked up the females because this is a crazy shoe. This shoe is beautiful. This shoe is beautiful. And I can't fit it. I can't. It's a 12 in women's. Wait a minute. Is it possible that 12 in women's? Never mind. 12 in men's, 12 in women's. So this pretty much comes out to pretty much like a 10.5 in men's. Some people say 11 in men's. So it just whatever. All I know is I'm size 12 and I can't fit a 12 in women's. But this is a beautiful shoe. And I can honestly say Jordan 1s are pretty much keeping Jordan in the running. Like, it's keeping them alive. They seem to just pump out a bunch of OG 1s. They realize that everybody goes crazy for them, so they just pump them out. So there's either ones that, okay, only 4 sizes sell for actual money and the rest are just normal releases. But some shoes like this, any size you get, you can resell it for 150, 200 bucks, and they're fire. So even if you're keeping for yourself, it just look good. I don't know, Jordan 1s, Nike's figured it out. They fire though. That's all I can say. There's nothing really to it. Obviously called patent because it's patent leather all over the upper. You get that little nice little shine to it. And it's a beautiful shoe. If you're a size 10.5 or smaller, it's a shoe you need to cop, fam. You need to cop. So I hope you were able to cop the shoe selling for good money. Also got these up on my Kixify. Realize I have worn these like 3 times. And yeah, we're gonna be back. This weekend. Obviously we got more releases to talk about, but that's just the first one. Some heaty pairs, but yeah, I'll have links in the description to everything I got going on, and we'll catch you on the next one.